You are the meal.
Corn, 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 corn.
Hey, Aspen. Your wings must be tired because it looks like you flew straight out of 1621.
And that's Paul. He's getting a divorce. Yay! You're the pardon turkey.
I'm the pardon turkey. I'm the pardon turkey. I'm gonna
Whatever you do, do not make a sound. Besides, we're already behind schedule.
We're behind schedule?
We are? That's right. We're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkeys off the menu.
Who are you talking to?
This guy right here.
I'm a lone wolf, S.A. El Solo Lobo.
That is very weird, Agent.
Copy that. How do we address it, sir?
With cranberry sauce.
Sure, why not?
Courage.
Courage. What's the story? You two, rubbing waddles, or?
She's beautiful. So soft and feminine.
Dogs.
Dogs. Yeah, I feel it too. Yeah, let's just be dogs.
Dusty?
Justy is your son.
Correct.
Talk.
I don't want to wear short pants. No.
Hey!
Angry birds.
Shut up, fatty.